Installing the Sunsquare SkyView Skylight is a straightforward process requiring only basic hand tools and an electric drill to secure the provided fixings. Start by applying sealant tape firmly around the pre-installed upstand to ensure a watertight seal between the upstand and skylight frame. Carefully place the skylight onto the upstand, centering it over the aperture. Use shims if needed for even spacing. Using the supplied screws, fix the skylight to the upstand using the pre-drilled holes around the frame. It is important to avoid over-tightening to prevent frame distortion. After fixing the skylight to the upstand, apply the screw cover trims to each side of the frame. When correctly aligned, you can use a soft mallet to ensure the profile is fully engaged. The skylight installation is now complete, ready to bring an abundance of light into your space.